Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the best potato salad in the world. First, select the right potatoes. Waxy varieties like Yukon Golds or red potatoes hold their shape beautifully. Boil them whole with the skins on to prevent them from absorbing too much water, which can make your salad mushy. Cook until they are just fork tender, usually around 15 to 20 minutes for medium-sized potatoes. This ensures a perfect texture for your salad. Now, let's craft that irresistible creamy dressing. Whisk together a good quality mayonnaise, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and a splash of apple cider vinegar for a tangy kick. Incorporate finely diced celery and red onion. These add a wonderful crunch and a burst of fresh flavor. Don't forget to season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and plenty of fresh dill. This combination creates a balanced and delicious base. Once your potatoes are cooked, drain them and let them cool just enough to handle. Peel off the skins and dice them into roughly 1-inch cubes. While the potatoes are still slightly warm, gently fold them into your prepared dressing. This warmth helps the potatoes absorb all those wonderful flavors more effectively. After mixing, cover your potato salad and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving, give your potato salad a final stir and adjust seasonings if needed. A sprinkle of fresh dill or a dash of paprika makes for a lovely garnish. This easy method consistently produces a potato salad that everyone will rave about, perfect for any gathering. Remember, for other great deals and to check out those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.